Okay, so in today's video, I'll be looking at the Eco-Rifle. So here we have it, the Eco-Rifle. So these are its stats. So I won't be using any modules on today's videos. No modules, and this is a voiceover, so it's kind of like the Digital Sunrise Experimental and Gallery. It will be description list apparently. So in the polygon, it got good damage, good zoom, good stuff, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing here, I forgot. Oh yeah, I was aiming at their, how should I say it? Censored area. Yeah, I was aiming at that. So, actually I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, looking at bricks apparently. So, no modules, I guess that's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I was doing the bullet spread, the steel hand thingy. When you see the, when you go into zoom, it starts moving like wobbly and stuff. Like as you can see there, wobbly and stuff. But you can just not go into zoom and it won't be wobbly. Or you can just use steel hands. So first match will be the sniper forts. Interesting. Okay, I'll just let the gameplay speak for itself. Okay, so first match I'll be sucking in a popsicle because I don't know what song to put here, so I'll be sucking on a popsicle. That's literally what this is. Juicy. Ooh, cold. And icy. Well, here's Ewald. So I'm sucking on a popsicle and watching my footage. Imagine 3 got spammed with a pixel gun and a Eco-Rifle. Hard. Tasty. If you can guess what popsicle I'm eating, then that'll be actually very surprising, because I'll just carry on eating my popsicle. Brain freeze. Oh, a good popsicle. Bro, my pet got good range. Bro, what is this dude doing? He's doing I was doing a 360 no scope. Ah, yeah, I remember now. You missed. Close enough. Bro, what am I doing? Ooh! Yo, you did a 360 no scope. I did a freaking 360 no scope. I did a 360 no scope. Bro. Oh, I'm good. Okay, never mind. Home. Okay, that's that match, so I'll stop sucking on it. Okay, folks, so that was me sucking on popsicle. How do you like that? You don't. So I'll be narrating now. That's even more annoying, cause oh, cool skin. I'll be narrating now, cause sucking on popsicle sounds very cursed and wrong. Okay, why did I choose Ice Palace? What I mean, I'll stop sucking on popsicle. I'll stop just sucking on popsicle. I'll suck on a popsicle and narrate. Ooh, and a kill from Cat Bomber, and he died. He missed. He shoots. He missed. He misses again. Oh, he still missed. And somebody gets a headshot. He aims, shoot, and he gets killed by a random dude that's flying above him. He misses, and he gets killed by the dude above him. He aims, shoots, and misses, and he went through the portal. And he's now doing, I don't know what he's doing. So he's chasing a guy that's flinging around with the vertical grip device just to get above a meter high thing. But he's now facing off against Pixie and died. Ooh, harsh. He's now following Pixie hard again, and he changed subjects to killing other people in this area. He turns around and gets killed instantly. Ooh, and he realizes that he is no match, and he gets below the staircase and dies. Pretty sad. And he looks behind him, 3-cat spam, starting to use his Viking at last. And he gets killed by KG, which is obviously standing behind him, and he is just... Okay, how did the beast hit the pillar? I was so confused, but now he's shooting it. He's spamming it. He's missing it all. Ooh, and 1 kill. And he kills someone with a pulling towards target weapon. Not bad. He shoots, he ducks, and he cowardly moves and wobbles and dodges. Like an airbender, they say. He is carefully shooting, and he died. So he's aiming. He's now realizing that he can get a headshot, and he does. He shoots, and he somehow misses the Eco-Rifle. And he now realizes that they're for weapons that has output delay, like ultimatum and such, you cannot cat spam with this, and he steals the kill with Cat Bomber. And he hulks into the portal and does a weird flingy thing with the ricochet rifle. And he's doing some random thing on a staircase. And also on this arch. And gets killed by same dude again. Oh, and he... Bro, my popsicle's melting. And he's facing off a guy that's using golden thread and somehow kills him before he does. Huh. Okay, he misses every single shot in a matter of seconds, and he dies without hitting anyone with anything. Now that's just tragic. And I am now realizing that I am roasting myself. Look, that's even more sad. Seems now he has realized that he can... I don't know what he's doing. Okay, he's spamming with the sparkling horn, even though this is a 3-cat spam footage. And he is now doing what I call losing. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, and just by Nick, he grabs the final kill and gets 3rd place. Now, thank you guys for listening to this annoying narrating narrating. And I'm gonna leave it to Bob. Hello, Bob. I am Bob, and this is the same narrator guy, but with a different name that I just randomly thought of, and still sucking on a popsicle. Okay, Bob is still here waiting for what seems to be forever, and I think he changed the modules. And look below, he did change the modules. He equipped a module. That is the magic module. What is he thinking? What is he looking at? He is... Wait, no, I am. I am doing something weird and hunting for this last guy who I think will go to the B points and somehow gets killed by a random dude that pops out of nowhere. And he realizes that he's alone, like every other time in his life. Tragic. And he's just exchanging points, literal points, with another person in the other team. Good popsicle. Oh, I'm on the final layer. Yellow. So again, if you can think of, if you know what popsicle I'm eating, just comment below, and if you're right, then I don't know, shout out, I guess. Okay, this dude's, I think he's predicting where his opponent's gonna go. Whoa, imagine predicting and guessing it wrong. And a dude somehow flings out of nowhere with a vertical grip device and dodges every single bees. Wow. And spawned a couple dragon, like a altar or a ritual for around him, and he's standing right in the center of it. Kind of weird, kind of freaky, kind of strange. And he now realizes that he has the hounds, which he thinks is pretty cool. Okay, sad news, I have finally finished my popsicle, but good news is I finally finished my popsicle. Why? Because now I can actually narrate like the other annoying narrator a couple minutes ago. He's annoying, ain't he? Oh, and now he's aiming for the weird scream guy. He got weird skin, weird taste of skin. Weird. And he also realizes that he's alone. And someone else joins, and another one joins, and they're on his team. What? And he's still losing. Bro, that dude got automated ultra thermal scythes, and he died. Oh, he got killed by bees. Oh, he is holding his Eco-Rifle and running around. Oh, he is panting frantically. And what do you see when you look up at the top middle? You see the opponent has 900 something and about to win. He frantically goes for the final point, and he is too late. Never mind. He got it in time. But then when you see a bee, oh, they got it. Oh no. And he has lost. That's just sad. Oh. Ooh. And that is enough of the Bob narrating. Thank you for watching or listening to Bob narrating. Hello, this is the dude using the footage and playing it. So here you can see I am doing something weird with my gun. My long hot gun. Don't know why. And whoa, there's no scope on it, but there's a scope. There's a scopeless scope. I just realized there's no scope on this weapon, but you can use scope. Wow, shocking. And I spin 9 times and I get one of each tokens. I got 2, I got 2, I got 2. I got 2, 3, 2, I got 3, 3, 2, I got 2. Okay, I got 3, 3, and 3 on all token. And he now realized that all he needed 16 more token to get. And I am here opening a chest for good luck because I am recording a video and I got good luck. This comet trail looks fairly dope. So I got that. I am happy. And I think that's the end of today's video. Thank you. So that dude you just heard with the horrible Chinese accent wasn't really making fun of Chinese. He was actually Chinese, so no making fun of Chinese. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.